Good morning. It's Saturday, some day in April 2018. The film that follows is actually a failure, a recorded failure. Now, I've failed to do many things in my life. I failed to be the first Englishman in space. I failed to become Pope. I failed to become Elizabeth Taylor's seventh husband. All of those failures were quite predictable, but the failure that I had this morning is a real first for me. I went to Leigh, the old town, with some stale bread, and I thought, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to film seagulls taking stale bread. I thought I'd do that, and I failed. Anyway, sit back and watch. There's a little bit of Leigh. There's some very shaky film of driving through Old Leigh. Very shaky because it's cobbles and they've got speed humps to stop people driving at more than about 1.5 miles an hour. So that's what it is. Anyway, watch this, then get on with your lives. Go and do something good, like paint a Mustang red, or build a trailer for a boat, or do something. Right, okay. I'll speak to you all later.
Where are we? That is Bell Wharf, Leigh. Oh, excuse me, frog in the throat. Now, long story short, I was having a little tidy up this morning and I'd got some out-of-date bread and I thought, I'm going to go down there and feed some seagulls and film it, I thought. And it started to rain. So there we are. I might go and fling some bread for some seagulls. But something that I found very tiresome when I drove down here, since I last drove down here, there's been someone out with some yellow paint. And everywhere that I thought I was going to park the car while I throw bread for seagulls, you can't park a car anymore. That's tiresome, isn't it? So we'll make this quick. Now, I have to confess, I hadn't really worked this out too cleverly. You know, I've got a camera in one hand and I've got a bag of bread in the other. How do you fling bread and film it? There must be a way. And over there on the mud, where are they? Seagulls. Seagulls love a bit of bread first thing in the morning. Now that bird over there seems to have a few problems. And the way nature is, I suspect, you know, he's going to be an ex-bird fairly shortly, isn't he, really? Well, I've thrown me bread. The birds have ignored it. I think they prefer fish.